Minority whip. Yes, your point of order? Or point of information you said? Okay. What's your point?
Just call it point of clarification. I know the standing orders are sometimes misleading. Mr. Speaker, taking into account the seriousness of this issue, considering the answer given by the chair, taking into account the limitations by chairs of committees in getting proper, responsive answers, will I be right to suggest to the Honorable Samuel and other affected members to file a petition through this House, have it referred to the committee, allow for public engagement, so that in that process, the committee will be in a position to write a report that will reflect on the evidence on the ground, so that this House gets also an opportunity to get an answer that befits the situation that we are describing. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Millie.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. Mr. Speaker, my concern is that there is an alarming rise in cases of femicide. Many young girls are being found dead. Just I think last week, 2 girls in Siaya were found dead. One a school student who was called up, God knows by who, and then she was found raped and murdered. Mr. Speaker, I know the President has tried and given some money towards sensitization, but Mr. Speaker, when the security agencies are very minded in finding the culprits, they act fast. Mr. Speaker, would I be in order to ask that they prioritize the issue of gender-based violence? We are losing a lot of our young girls. And so that when you have such cases, in the same way that we are moving with a lot of speed over other crimes, we should move with the same speed to arrest the culprits. Otherwise, they will continue murdering girls because they know they can get away with it. Thank you.
Honorable members and Honorable Dr. Makali, what exactly did you want to raise?
Mr. Speaker, thank you so much. I just wanted to write on the issue raised by the 2 honorable members, and this is the issue of security in most of our areas, Honorable Speaker. You know, Honorable Gachobe has said something which also touched my issue. He says he has given the police even the numbers of the people suspected to have committed this criminal act. Honorable Speaker, this has become very common, Honorable Speaker, that even where we come from, you give information to the police in confidence, but nothing happens. While we appreciate the limitations with our chair, because it's our colleague, I think, Honorable Speaker, it's important. I don't know whether either other than a petition, I think a question could be better so that we get the CS coming to this House to respond to some of our issues. Because I think generally it looks like there's a problem with the security issues in this country, and unless we address them early enough, Honorable Speaker,
fair enough,
we are likely to face serious challenges.
You made your point. Honorable Kenan, and for the benefit of the members of Parliament, you don't have to have a petition for the committee to do exhaustive investigation, to invite members of Parliament, to invite minister, to invite anybody. So I think the Honorable Tongoyo, are you hearing me? I was trying to get Momuse to leave your side of the House so that it doesn't, somebody else has come now to. Kiborek!
Honorable Speaker, as right one, I want really to...
My position is this.
Yes.
You don't have to have, there doesn't have to be a petition for you to
No, I agree. I'm in agreement.
To investigate this.
What I'm saying, Honorable Speaker,
yes,
maybe before I respond to, or I also add my voice on that, for my colleague, I really share in the frustration. But it's good, Honorable Speaker, we will appreciate the complicity in these crimey things. They come in different ways. The majority of these perpetrators are expert. They kind of conceal their footprints. But what I want to suggest, Honorable Speaker, as it is for now, we have more than 10 list of statements being sought from different members in this House. And of late, we kind of the opinion that we may call the CS to appear before the committee because we can be able to have an interactive. And all those members probably who are not satisfied or who even we could list as having statements that need more engagement, we can